How to delete your Cash App account. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily delete your Cash App account. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Cash App and you'll find the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and once you tap on that you'll land on your profile page here. You just have to scroll down until you find the support section. Just tap on support, and on the search bar you're going to have to search for close account. And once you search for it, tap on the first option that you see, close your Cash App account. Now it's going to show you this pop-up. Closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag and prevent payments from being received. And it will sign you out of all sessions. And to close your account, you first need to make sure that you don't have any cash, Bitcoin, or stock holdings and resolve any outstanding balances. Once you've done so, you can return to this and screen to close your account. So it's basically saying that don't leave anything there or they will be deleted. So make sure you withdraw all of your assets from Cash App. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.